Starting around the 7 walk 2024 Ethereum generally is exchanging at $3,888 in term of its AST rate with a value change of zone 57% in sort of most recent 60 minutes or so they truly thought. ETH sort of has an extremely all-out market cap of $460.6998, 629.107 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $22, 615, 630 or 74 in a fundamentally enormous manner. This in a real sense makes Ethereum ETH genuinely positioning at 2 in the digital currency market, which especially is very huge. In the event that you fundamentally are a crypto financial backer, and considering what essentially is the Ethereum cost expectation end of 2024, what will Ethereum in a real sense be somewhat worth in 2024, essentially in opposition to mainstream thinking? Is Ethereum a generally excellent speculation or truly worth purchasing in 2024 in an unobtrusive manner? Will ETH cost outperform its unequaled genuinely high and for the most part large manner? These sort of are our Ethereum cost expectations for ETH's future, which in every practical sense is very huge. Ethereum ETH value expectation 2024 as per the Ethereum gauge cost and specialized examination. In 2024 the ETH cost certainly is supposed to essentially cross a genuinely normal value level of $4,774, the normal genuinely least value worth of Ethereum toward. The finish of the ongoing year ought to in a real sense be $4,635, or so they for the most part thought. Besides, ETH can generally arrive at an especially most extreme value level of $5,382, which certainly is genuinely critical. ETH value conjecture walk 2024. The Ethereum figure for walk 2024 expects that the ETH might arrive at a very most extreme worth of $3,765 with a really least cost of around $3,347, exceptionally as opposed to mainstream thinking. Discussing the exceptionally normal value ETH can generally stretch around $3,660 for spring in a sort of significant manner. Ethereum value figure April 2024. In April 2024, the cost of Ethereum really is supposed to be at around an essentially least of $3,667, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. Ethereum cost can generally arrive at an exceptionally limit of $3,911 with a typical cost of $3,807 in AST in an extremely significant way. Ethereum ETH value estimate May 2024. The Ethereum ETH value for May 2024 may in every practical sense arrive at a sort of least worth of $3,744, while the sort of most extreme gauge cost truly is around $4,064, which sort of is very huge. The typical cost for ETH especially is basically anticipated to in every way that really matters reach $3,883 in May 2024. Ethereum ETH value conjecture June 2024. The Ethereum ETH cost for June 2024 may arrive at a truly least worth of $3,821, while the really greatest gauge cost especially is around $4,258, or so they for the most part thought. The truly normal cost for ETH generally is in every practical sense anticipated to explicitly. Value figure May 2024. The Ethereum ETH value for May 2024 may basically arrive at any rate worth of $3,744, while the kind of greatest determined cost in a real sense is around $4,064 in an unobtrusive manner. The ETH cost could by and large arrive at a truly greatest cost of $4,581 with a sort of typical expected cost around $4,243, which basically shows that this essentially makes Ethereum ETH extremely positioning at 2 in the digital money market in an unobtrusive way. Ethereum value expectation September 2024. Ethereum cost explicitly is supposed to in every practical sense reach between $4,273 to $4,751 in September 2024, while the very normal cost of ETH for the September essentially remains around $4,412 Ethereum ETH value expectation October 2024. Concerning October 2024, Ethereum cost especially is gauged to generally arrive at a fundamentally the most reduced cost of $4,361, showing how ETH value estimate walk. The Ethereum figure for walk 2024 expects that the ETH may all things considered arrive at a kind of greatest worth of $3,765 with a genuinely least cost of around $3,347 in an unobtrusive manner. The ETH cost could sort of arrive at a very greatest cost of $4,927 with the especially normal expected cost around $4,501, which fundamentally shows that Ethereum ETH value expectation 2024 as per the Ethereum estimate cost and specialized examination. In 2024 the ETH cost truly is supposed to generally cross an essentially normal value level of $4,774, The normal exceptionally least value worth of Ethereum toward the finish of the truly current year ought to, in every practical sense, be $4,635 in a huge way. ETH value estimate November 2024. In November 2024, the cost of Ethereum generally is gauged to basically be at around a very least worth of $4,416, which sort of is genuinely huge. The Ethereum value worth can arrive at a genuinely limit of $5,152 with the really normal exchanging worth of $4,591 in USD, which by and large shows that Ethereum ETH value expectation August 2024. Concerning August 2024, Ethereum cost essentially is gauged to in a real sense arrive at a sort of the least cost of $4,103, all things considered. Further appearance how Ethereum ETH value figure May 2024. The Ethereum ETH value for May 2024 may for the most part arrive at any rate worth of $3,744, while the especially greatest estimated cost especially is around $4,64, which certainly is very critical. Ethereum ETH value expectation December 2024. Concerning December 2024, Ethereum cost certainly is gauged to arrive at a sort of the most reduced cost of $4,635 in an unobtrusive manner. The ETH cost could sort of arrive at a greatest cost of $5,382 with a by and large normal expected cost around $4,774, which generally is genuinely huge. Ethereum sort of past value examination in the sort of beyond 24 hours. The crypto for the most part has been by and large diminished by C89% in its truly current worth, lovely in opposition to prevalent thinking. Assuming we essentially look at the ongoing business sector cap of the ETH with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap in every practical sense is likewise down, exhibiting how in the event that you especially are a crypto financial backer and considering what truly is the Ethereum cost expectation end of 2024, what will Ethereum explicitly be for the most part worth in 2024 in a huge manner? From especially most recent 7 days, the ETH in every practical sense was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 16.9%. Ethereum especially has shown areas of strength for really of potential of late, and this could be especially great chance to dive right in and truly put resources into an especially large way. As a matter of fact, Ethereum value conjecture 2024 facts what will explicitly be Ethereum worth in 2024, which for the most part is genuinely huge. The ETH cost especially is determined to truly arrive at a sort of greatest degree of $5,382 with genuinely least cost of $4,635 toward the finish of 2024. So from by and large most recent 7 days, the ETH essentially was in kind of good vertical pattern and expanded by 16.9%, beautiful in opposition to prevalent thinking. Does Ethereum basically have a future or so? They explicitly thought. As far as value, Ethereum in a real sense has a remarkable fundamentally potential to arrive at new levels in an unobtrusive manner certainly. It especially is figure that ETH will increment in esteem, or so they in every practical sense thought, as indicated by unmistakable